Hi, this is Michael and Shaun, and we're here to present our demo of the Scheduled-Retry service. We wrote this service in Go using the new gRPC service skeleton, and this service we created to help us build our compliance service, which needs a scheduled retry component. So this is a separate microservice which is designed to help us in that regard. What this service allows us to do is schedule a job, and it will notify us when that job is due, and also it'll notify us when that job is expired. So we're going to start by scheduling a job, and then we'll turn off the video for a second and show you what happens later on. So here we are going to get a timestamp for about a minute or two from now. Just generating that. All right, and here we're going to create a job. All right, and we will come back in a second. So now the program's been running for a bit. You can see we've received a few event bus events. So these first three events are reminder events saying now is the time to retry your job. You can see attempt number 1, 2, and 3. This last event looks almost the same, but you can see it's missing this attempt number field. So it's actually a different event type. And this last event is marking that the time has expired for your event. So when you set up the job, you actually give it a timeout at which point you want to mark it as having ultimately failed. So that's what this last event is. Next up, we're going to show you another flow where rather than letting it run to expiry, we're going to let it run for a couple reminders and then mark the job as complete. So stay tuned for that. And we're back again. Here you can see that we scheduled a new job up here at the top, transaction ID 1242, and then below here we sent another API call to actually mark that job as completed. Now we should expect that rather than getting as many event bus events back as we got last time, we should only receive a few before they trail off. And here you can see that down here we only have 2 events. We don't have all the events that we got last time, because once you mark a job as complete, the service will stop reminding you that you're getting new events. So again, the service really supports 2 operations: start a new job, which will kick off a process of reminders, and then a second endpoint, which is mark that job as done, stop reminding you about it. That is basically what we have for this service so far. It is really quick and dirty. We need to make it more scalable. There's a number of new things we want to add. The database is all in memory right now, so this was just a really quick prototype, but hopefully that gives you a bit of an idea of what we're going for, and hopefully in the future we'll open this up for other services to potentially be able to use as well. All right, thanks for listening. Bye.